Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a 5-beat recurring throwout. And that looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you're done. So that's it. Let's break it down. It starts off man's left, lady's right. Looks like a normal first move. We go back. We come in side by side. When we twist the ladies out, guys, we just turn to face across in front of the ladies, reach in, connect up with the full width of the ladies back with the right arm, left foot out, ready. We're going to give the ladies a little bit of lift, and we're going to bring the ladies around to go 1, 2. So that's going to go right, left as the lady goes right, left. We release with the right, and she's gone forwards. Hold on tight with that left hand, not uncomfortably tight, but you're probably going to need to give the lady a lot of support at that stage. We now need to get past the lady, and we've got to go 1, 2 as well. So we get to go past right, 1, and when you do this to speed, that might well be a jump. We're going to connect up with the right arm, we're going to keep turning left, get the left out of the way, 2, and we're going to transfer the energy we've just used back to the lady so that she can go past 1, 2. And that's the whole thing. Now you could, if you've got the space, go guys, ladies, guys, ladies, guys, ladies, and just keep going as far as you wanted to. Though of course after a while you might get tired or dizzy. Okay, so let's have another go, and we'll just put where the numbers are going to be. So we go back 1, in on 2, twist the lady out for preparation 3, we send the lady away 4, the guy gets around to the far side 5, and the lady comes through again on 6, and you're done. You may well have a pause at the end. It's a fantastic way to hit a break in the music. Okay, so let's try it together. Here we go. 5, a 6, recurring 5-beat throwout. It's a back, in, prep, ladies, guys, ladies, and you're done. And that's the whole thing. Obviously a bit of practice and not having anywhere to fall off of, and it'll all be fine. So like, subscribe, hit the bell, and you'll know every time a new video comes out. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. Take care.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.